everyone, welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today we will be making a pumpkin pie white Russian using our creme de pumpkin pie syrup. Let's get drinking. First, we're going to garnish our glass using our agave syrup and some cinnamon sugar. You just want to kind of dab this in there because we don't want the agave to leak on the sides. Then you're going to put 1 pump of our creme de pumpkin pie syrup into your glass. After that, add 1 ounce of vodka of your choice and 1 ounce of Kahlua. Let's give this a nice stir to blend everything up. Now throw in some ice on top. Make sure you leave some room for your heavy cream. There you are, a perfect pumpkin pie white Russian. Thank you for watching. If you do make this at home, be sure to tag us at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and our newsletter.